Hi everyone, my name's Sharon. This is Liam and Riley, and today we're going to do a recipe for you. It's called, well, we've got some beef ribs and some pork ribs.
Beef rib rack and pork ribs.
Yeah, so we're going to work that out for you. First thing we're going to do is make a rub, and we're going to, let's open those first.
Okay. So
Riley's going to take the scissors and open the ribs, and Liam and I are going to start with the rub.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you don't like ribs, you don't have to make this.
Yeah.
Right. You gotta love ribs, okay? So for the recipe, we're gonna add.
I just cut the bag open.
Yep, and lay the ribs out on the. We're gonna put a bunch of paprika. All the paprika.
This is our first video, by the way.
It is. We're starting a new video for the summer. This is our summer series. Liam, Riley, and Granny.
Yeah.
So this is garlic. We're gonna add just a bit of garlic.
Liam, you're gonna help?
Can I put something?
Onion. Liam, I missed the paprika. Could you get it for me?
What?
It's on the counter there.
Okay.
You have to cut it all the way across.
I just put it
Salt.
down.
That's it, Liam, right
I just
there.
put it down.
I see a
like the whole
fly.
thing.
I see a fly in there.
What do I do?
Lay it out on there. Wait. Oh, guys, guess what we forgot to do? If you're watching this video, would you please give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe? Because we're going to run this series for the whole summer. And Riley and Liam want to see how many subscribers we can get.
Yeah, until the end of the summer, because that's when we're going to be going home, sadly, back to Florida. So, let's see what we can do.
Let's try it.
So we're trying our best to get some subscribers and likes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So please, at least just a little.
And the first thing we forgot to do, guys, we're really sorry. Oh, this is the most important step when you're cooking is first thing, what?
Have a parent with you.
Wash
Your hands.
your hands. None of us remember to do that. So can you give us a minute? We're going to pause. And we'll be right back after we wash our hands.
Okay, we're back.
Now,
Clean
we got
hands.
clean hands. Everybody's ready to go. So we're going to add paprika to our rub mix. Riley's going to continue opening the package of rub
put it
of
on
ribs.
It is big.
Very
Oh,
big.
it's huge.
It's folded, or either it's two of them. So let's put them long ways. Ooh.
What is that?
Ooh.
stuff?
We'll just
Blood.
throw that in the sink.
Put them both out.
Yeah, and because we got to try to fit this one on
Alright,
it
I'm
too.
going to wash my hands again. I'll be right back.
Well,
Your hands are gonna get dirty right again.
yeah, you got to open the next one. The same thing's going to happen.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wipe it off with the.
All right, so we've got our rub started.
The floor's dirty. Don't worry. That's okay.
We'll get
We'll clean
we'll
it
get the floor later.
Yeah, we'll pick up the mess when we're done. Yeah.
We're
See if
making
it smells
something
okay.
right now.
Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one.
That smells good. That's my good.
You cut it with the scissors, just either end, and then just lay it out right here.
All right. So long. How's it gonna fit?
I know we're gonna have to scrunch it a little.
Yeah.
Okay. You see?
Here. All right, so here we go. We're gonna add the sugar.
Look how long
Brown
this thing is,
sugar.
you guys. Look how long it is. Oh god.
These are just ribs we bought at the grocery store on sale. And what happened is
Let me smell the bunch of.
my freezer
What the heck?
broke. The freezer broke on us, so
Yeah.
there is a fly in here, Riley.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Is it fly?
guys wait.
So
I'm
anyway,
gonna
the
get
freezer
fly.
broke, so we're having to cook everything in the freezer. So we're starting with ribs, and hopefully they'll be good. Because last night we watched a video of the farming pastor's wife, and
Mention
there's a
her.
shout out to
Mention
her.
Yeah, shout out to the farming.
And we're
pastor's
using her recipe for
Yeah.
the rib rub. Liam's a fan of the farming pastor's wife.
wife.
Yeah.
I think we all are.
We
love
all
her.
kind of like her.
We all love her.
So
She's
we're
amazing.
gonna.
She has amazing.
And she
tutorials.
is our inspiration.
Exactly.
She is why we
Start.
decided
And
we
even
wanted
if you're,
to make a
and
video.
even if the farmer pastor's wife is watching the video, thank you.
All right,
you.
thanks, Leslie, for all your work and for inspiring others to do the same. All right, is it going to scrunch up on there?
Ow, it's just like
Yeah. So shout out to farmer pastor's wife.
L&B Farms.
Now let's get back.
How's it going, Riley?
Interesting.
What even
this
is
over
that
to the sink?
stuff?
Because that's a bloody rib, isn't it?
I know, it's so bloody. Alright guys, Liam's gonna do the work.
Okay.
All right,
the
we're
ribs
back.
are done.
Alright, we're back. So I have my apron on. I'm trying to tie it.
Now, we've got the rub made, and I'm not sure if it's good, and we want to just see if it smells okay.
Yeah, I smelled it. It
You
smells
want
pretty
to
good.
see that?
Yeah, that
It looks
that
pretty
looks good.
So we're
Smells
gonna
like
put
chili.
What are we gonna do with that? Like, put it
Pretty
We're gonna
good,
rub it
guys.
on the
It smells
ribs.
good.
Alright, can I do it?
It actually smells really
Yep,
good.
we can all do it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Teamwork
All right.
makes the dream work.
Oh, wait. Big
What?
step. We
What?
have to take the skin off the back.
Oh,
of the
yeah.
ribs.
Skin. What
There's a little layer of...
Guys, I can't believe we forgot that part.
No. I don't know.
Because we
Need to
really
do
need
it,
to,
Riley.
like, actually, we need to take off the
Which is
skin.
the skin?
Cannot
What is
forget
the
that.
skin? What
There's
is
a
it?
layer of, there it is, see?
Oh.
Okay, guys.
No, we're watching. Let them watch. Put it down here on us.
Yes.
Okay. So, guys,
Hold
here's
it
what
down.
they're doing.
Like that. I'm not trying to make you dizzy, but we're just showing you guys.
All right. Somehow,
A lot.
we're going to have to
Stop,
pull
Riley.
this little layer of something.
A lot of rib. A lot of skin on
So
there.
just hold it like that. Yeah, a bunch of skin. Let's see. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
See that
I'll
skin?
peel it. I'll peel it.
You're going to have to get a paper towel.
Yeah, guys, so that was all the skin that's on it.
No, there's a ton.
There's like a lot more we have to get.
You didn't.
So they're gonna be cleaning the. They're gonna be cleaning the paper.
Right.
The.
There we
I almost said they were gonna be cleaning the paper towel. I mean, they're gonna be cleaning the ribs with
Yeah,
the
so
skin on there.
we're just peeling off the skin right now.
Yeah.
So here's the mixture of seasoning.
And here's what it looks like. The seasoning.
All right, that's what it is.
Yeah. And it smells pretty good that night.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
So
smells actually really good. Make my mouth water.
it smells like seasoning.
All right. I think
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Hey, a fly, guys! I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the fly.
See?
So yeah, I'm gonna get the fly.
Not near the food, please.
Yeah, fly, get away from our food.
Yeah, fly.
Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't
Shoot fly.
bother me.
Shoe fly.
You know all the old songs.
I know.
The beef ribs have that sheen on the back.
What?
These are beef ribs, and I don't think they do. I think it's just the pork.
Yeah,
Gonna
comment
go
down below if you
get
guys
'em
know
then.
because we're not really professionals here, but we're just trying.
Yeah, we're making a mess.
We're just trying to make something good to eat, and we're just making a video for you guys to watch.
Is this for lunch or dinner?
This is dinner.
Oh.
All right, so now let's rub them up on both sides.
You're gonna get one. Can I get one?
Okay.
We can't interrupt the video for arguing.
So I can't get one.
So who's gonna rub the ribs? Me?
Lifesaver.
Am I gonna do the rubbing?
I have a lifesaver right here.
Alright, so we're gonna season it all up with all the seasonings.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna make them good so then we can cook it.
We're gonna cook it low and slow, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook it on about 300 degrees for 4 or 5 hours probably.
4 or 5 hours.
And we want it to be really tender, but the trick is to try to take it out just before it gets to that fall off the bone stage, because you kind of want it to stay on the bone so you can bite it off, but you want it very tender.
Like, this isn't a tutorial, but we are trying to give some inspirations if you guys are wondering.
Yeah.
So, if you want to, you can follow this.
But if you don't
But
like,
we're not professionals, so.
but if you don't think you're gonna like what we're making, you don't have to make it.
Yeah.
You can make our other videos that we're gonna
It's
be
beef
posting
and pork
soon.
ribs.
So, yeah. And if you don't like this, we're gonna be making some more videos. And
Yeah.
if you like those,
Yeah, so when
you can
we
make
cook,
those.
we are going to be making some more videos more often now because now we are going to be cooking and we're here. So we are going to publish some more videos of us cooking.
Yeah, we love to hang out in the kitchen, don't we, guys?
Oh, and
Yeah,
guys,
we
we
like
forgot to introduce ourselves.
we did.
Riley, my sister, and I'm Liam.
Yeah, we're siblings.
And I'm Granny.
And
Yeah.
we're here in North Carolina, Eden, for our break.
For their
Because we're
summer
we're on
break.
summer break for school. I'm going into 5th grade. I'm 10 years old. Liam is going into 3rd grade. He's 8 years old.
Yeah.
All right, we need to set the oven for 300 degrees.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna set it. 300 degrees.
Yeah.
Wow, everything's
Click oven.
Okay, guys.
oven light or
It's at the top left.
Okay, guys. So
oven?
they're just doing getting
Or
the
bake.
oven ready. So
Bake, top left.
and so while they're doing that, I can show you about.
Now we go down to 300.
There's like this sidewalk thing that we have. See, look, and this is the thing where you fill all these different colors, and then this, you press this down or spray it, and like on the sidewalk you can draw something.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, let's go back to our cooking.
Yeah.
And
We're
so
all
we're ready. Show the ribs.
So the oven is preheating.
Show
right
the
now.
ribs, Riley.
I got it.
Yeah,
Look at all these.
That's all the ribs, all seasoned up with the rub. So we're gonna put them in. Oh, we have to cover them with foil tightly.
So they don't whatever.
We're gonna cover them really tight and let them cook. I don't know, about 4 hours to start with, and then we'll
We
check
might be
them.
making a gaming channel in case you guys want it.
Yeah.
Want a gaming channel. You can comment.
Yeah, you can comment
Comment down below if you want us to make a gaming channel.
with the VR.
Yeah, we could. We have VR, so we can do that if you guys really want
Or
to.
if you'd like to see us do some road trips on the motorcycle,
Yeah.
we can take the GoPro and go out and do that.
Yeah, we have a motorcycle. It's out there.
It's a
And
Can-Am
we have
three-wheeler.
We have like 3 different ones.
So we can like. So first we can do VR. If you want to do VR,
So you guys comment
Comment
whatever
VR.
your likings are, and then we'll require.
we have,
we'll do whatever
we have
you
3
want.
things. If you want VR, comment VR. If you want to do a gaming channel, comment gaming channel. And if you want to go on motorcycle, you can comment that.
Yeah, or we can, or if you like, we can just do more cooking content.
Yeah, I was about to say that. So if you really like our
Cooking videos.
And one of us, like, she's not here now, but she goes to Carolina.
yeah.
University of
to
North
Tar
Carolina,
Heel.
Chapel Hill. So we've got a,
She goes to the Tar Heels.
we've
Yeah.
got a,
And Mary.
Tar Heel kid in the house.
Yeah.
And so
She
now
goes
we've
to
got
Tar
the ribs.
Heels High School.
She's getting coffee. She takes forever.
Yeah, it takes forever.
So now these are going
And
to
she
cook
said
first.
when she gets back,
All right,
we
show them
might
the
do
tray,
something
how
fun.
tightly I
Yeah,
wrapped
we're
it.
gonna have fun and do some
Liam,
stuff.
show them the tray
And
so
we'll
they
be
can
filming.
see how tight it's wrapped.
yeah, and look how tight this wrap. You gotta make
So
sure
we
it's
do it.
tight if you're doing this,
Nice and
okay,
tight.
guys?
So yeah.
We want them airtight. In fact, I'm just going to do one more across the top.
Yeah, just to make sure doesn't get it doesn't.
Seal those.
It's really tight.
So now we are going to let it. Wait, what are we gonna do now?
Now, when the oven is
Yeah.
up to 300, we're going to put them in the oven for like 3 or 4 hours.
So 3 to 4 hours.
We'll
We're
be
going
back.
to heat it up. After the oven preheats, we're going to put them in there and let them heat for 3 to 4 hours. So we'll see you guys after we do all that. Okay, bye.
Banana.
All right, bye guys.
All right, Daddy's finished. Now we don't have to look at the camera.
Okay.
All right, Liam's going to give
So
us
we're gonna try it now.
a taste test for the pork ribs. Liam, what do you think?
All right, I'm gonna try the beef.
You want beef?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the beef. Pretty good. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I think we
I
might
think
have
it's good.
exhausted the beef.
The beef is
There's
like
a beef.
gone.
There's a piece of meat.
All right.
Riley, what do you think of the beef?
Really good. It's really good.
Oh, close that cabinet. That's not a good thing. I like them too. I'm a
It's
star.
very good.
So, we all recommend this recipe. Liam,
Yeah.
we got to close out our video and tell everybody thanks for watching. Come on.
Which is the pork?
This was the pork, and this is the beef. The beef.
All right. Come on, let's tell them bye.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see.
Bye. See you in the next video.
See you next
We'll see you
time.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.